I'll be showing you the top apps to get more visitors to your Shopify store, with many of these apps being completely free. For each of them, we'll be taking a look at their features, how much they cost, and their reviews. First up, we have an app provided by Shopify. It's called Shopify Marketplace Connect. It's going to let you sell on marketplaces like Amazon, Target Plus, eBay, Walmart, and Etsy, managing everything from within Shopify, helping you get more exposure for your store. And it gives you unlimited marketplace account connections for the supported marketplaces. So it's free to install, and the first 50 marketplace synced orders are free. And then there's a 1% fee per additional synced in order, capped at $99 a month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a pretty good 4.3 stars with 1.6 thousand 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary, merchants highly praise this app for its seamless eBay integration, allowing for efficient inventory syncing and direct management of listings from Shopify. They also appreciate the user-friendly interface and bulk editing features for pricing adjustments. Next up, we have an app called Eggflow Instant Traffic. It allows you to drive free traffic to your store with a traffic exchange. So this is going to allow you to display your products in other Shopify stores as product recommendations. And to do so, you only need to display partner stores' products in yours to exchange traffic. Cross ads are displayed in two formats as product recommendations at the bottom of each page, as well as a quick notification form in the lower right corner of the screen. So it's an exchange here where you're sharing traffic to another store, and it's quick and easy to set up. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and paid plans start at $29 and then go up to $64 a month, depending on the features you're looking for. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a really good 4.4 stars with 1.3 thousand 5-star reviews. According to the AI summary, merchants praise this app for its ease of use, quick installation, and immediate traffic boost, often noting hundreds of impressions overnight. Next up, we have Aftership Traffic Ads, and it's an ads exchange app to help brands drive quality traffic to their store without breaking the bank. So it's an ad partner network, so you can join other partner stores and share online traffic via an ad exchange. Similar to the previous app we looked at, and it's quick and easy to set up, and you can enable an ad exchange in just one click. You also get ad performance analytics, so you can track impressions, clicks, and click-through rate. This app is also completely free here, so there's no pricing involved with it. In terms of reviews, sitting at a really good 4.8 stars with 677 5-star reviews. Merchants appreciate the app for its easy setup and responsive customer service, which helps quickly resolve issues. It's effective in driving traffic and facilitating ad exchanges, especially beneficial for new and small businesses with free traffic and ads. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know the headache it can be to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations that are going to sync seamlessly with things such as Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many other cost of goods sold options like AliExpress or CJ dropshipping. Having all these details, analytics, and metrics at your fingertips are going to allow you to make smarter business decisions. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. If you're in the Shopify app store already, just search Profit Calc and then look for this logo in the top left here, Profit Calc ;profit calculator. So make sure you check that out. And again, there's a 15-day free trial. Next up, we have an app called Simprosys Google Shopping Feed, which makes it really easy to set up and sync Google Shopping, Microsoft, Facebook, and Pinterest, as well as in managing your Performance Max campaigns. Google Shopping can be a great way to run ads for your store, as customers can easily see what they're going to click on before they do so, and it makes it super easy to set up with many features helping to manage those product feeds, including support for Shopify Market with multi-language, multi-currency, and top-level domains. In terms of pricing, it starts at $4.99 for up to 500 products, and from 5,000 to 10,000 products, it's $17.99 per month. In terms of reviews, sitting at a really good 4.9 stars, 6.2 thousand 5-star reviews. And merchants highly recommend this app for its excellent customer support, ease of use, and comprehensive features. They appreciate the responsive support through live chat and Zoom, and find the setup and management of Google Shopping feeds straightforward. Lastly, we have an app called Adeagle, so you can easily create marketing campaigns, grow sales with traffic from other shops, niche website, and apps. So you can display high converting, beautiful ads served on other stores, and these are places where your customers potentially are going to hang out. It makes it easy to create campaigns in just a few simple steps, with no coding required. You can then analyze the results of your campaigns, tracking things like impressions, clicks, and CTRs. And it easily lets you optimize these by comparing the campaigns with different targeting. In terms of pricing, it's free to start with the ad exchange with partner stores, and paid plans start at $19.99 per month, going up to $169.99 per month, depending on the number of impressions. And there's a few more features like retargeting included in the premium plan. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.7 stars with 396 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary here, merchants appreciate and recommend this app for boosting traffic and sales through marketing on other Shopify stores. And they praise its user-friendly interface and easy setup, making it ideal for beginners. This concludes the video on apps to help get more visitors to your Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.